She's Royal Master, so she knows exactly what she's talking about. So I hope you took lots of notes and found that useful. We've got 5-minute break, and then after we're going to come back with the Q&A session with Janet as well. So we have 6 questions.
We just finished another session, and I'm loving it here at the Atomy UK Leaders Workshop. We just had a session with branch manager Samantha Hong, and now we've got like a 5 minutes, a short break basically, to stretch out our legs, stretch out our hands, and have a bit of a snack or coffee or whatever, But I just love the atmosphere here. People just networking, gaining contacts, and really supporting each other. It's a good place to be, and a good business as well. We're all aware Atomy has been in the United Kingdom 4 years now. July makes it 4 years Atomy launched in Europe. And we are the pioneers of this business here in the United Kingdom.
If you
want to know more about how you can be a part of this amazing business, oh my gosh, you can see people. Our island team, they're really going on.
I'm looking at the island
in their blue t-shirts, just taking pictures. And you can create good memories here. I love memories. That's why I take a lot of pictures and I do a lot of videos. I just love to retain some very, very good and very memorable moments, if you know what I mean. So, like I was saying, if you really want to know how to be a part of this amazing Atomy business, please feel free to leave me a chat on my WhatsApp. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can actually click on it and chat me up on WhatsApp. Say, hey, what is this business about? I've been hearing you talk about Atomy. What is this all about? Can I know more? Okay, and I will rush to your DM, rush back my response, okay? I aim to respond to everybody within 24 hours, okay? So feel free. It's free to join. You don't need to pay. It's you don't need to invest. It's just free to join. Come as you are and start working with us, okay? To build system income that lasts to 3 generations after you. Can you beat that? I mean, I'm talking about your children and your grandchildren, okay? So this is family.
I've learned quite a lot
liberation.
I've learned quite a lot, and I'm going to take it on board, and I'm just going to go with that knowledge and just go rock Atomy. This workshop is one of a kind, You need to aim to attend our leadership workshop. If you're an Atomian in the UK, one of our leaders, and you are not here, you are missing, okay? We just had another session that has just finished. So we have another 5 minutes break, so you can see people taking pictures and generally just walking around. 5 minutes break, and then we're back for the final part of the Leaders Workshop. I've learned so much here that I'm going to take back to my team, to work with my team for us to continue to build and grow this amazing network. Atomy is the way to go. I'm so just loving it here. You can see the happy bunch, all taking pictures. We have a lot of people from Ireland that have attended the event today, all from Ireland that have attended the event today. So, we'll be back again. We just had, the Royal Master, Janet Ma. She's just done a special session with us. Very inspiring session we had with her, and she's just finished her session. Okay, that's Royal Master Janet Ma. Come to share her journey, okay, to becoming a Royal Master, her journey towards Auto Sales Master and Auto Diamond Master. She's just giving us all the tips and all the ideas and how to basically do our Atomy business. I have learned so much from her shared experience, and I'm really, really going to take this on board, take this back home, to all my amazing team members. So we're gradually settling back in. And, gradually settling back in. It's been a very fulfilling day here. And you know me, I like to share. Very fulfilling day here. And you know me, I just like to share my experience. I like to share my journey with you guys. It's been very rewarding. Tomorrow is our Success Academy, 22nd of February 2025. Please be there, all right? It's happening, same venue tomorrow, City of London School, okay? I hear the closest station is Blackfriars. So looking forward to seeing you all again tomorrow at the Atomy UK Success Academy, another big event that we have here in London, UK. All right. So this is your lady signing out. Just thought to share my experience here at the Leadership UK Atomy Leadership Workshop. Just thought to share my experience with you guys. All right. I love you. Ciao. Bye.